Yasko! Here in the kitchen with my boy, my cousin,
Yo.
my boy Eric.
Play with my new toy.
Rainy day outside. So we just sitting in the kitchen trying to think of ideas that we can do for my YouTube and for the music.
One is longer.
So yeah, so we've been busy. Hold on, let me fix this real quick.
No homo, I want this longer.
Come on.
Because it keeps hitting the front of the camera. I want to like hold it.
Yeah, so I've been writing music. Y'all been seeing my posts, my music videos and stuff, with little mini clips and stuff of my songs. He the one that be editing the videos, so shout out to him. So yeah, so I've just been writing
17
music.
tattoo 17. You already know.
You can add him on Instagram. So yeah, man, I've just been writing and we just been thinking about what we want to do, like what to do to help people, help ourselves. This is my camera here. This is what we're gonna be using doing music videos. We got that coming soon. We've been taking little clips here and
A
there.
little something, you know. We got it on our own.
But no, man, I gotta.
You know, and then mommy came, you know, like, hey, here you go, baby. Here you go, baby. Camera, you know, shout out to the people that got that, you know.
Yeah, I've been saving money so I can get a better camera, better equipment, but it takes time. And I've been on that grind lately, and hopefully it pays off. They were like, oh my eyes. So let me see what we can do. I'm gonna show everybody that's in the household right now. So everybody just been lazy today. Got dad right there, he chilling. He was watching a movie. We got him moving everywhere with the camera. Paparazzi, damn. Who upstairs? Who's upstairs? Obviously somebody in the bathroom. Hold up, where's your Nietzsche?
Don't record that, man. It didn't even record it, right? It did?
Yeah, it did. Sister in the building.
Yo, a true
Say,
lady
what's up, my guy?
has her hair done and her room clean.
Yeah, right. I thought you was gonna clean your room. I thought you was gonna
I did clean my room.
Come on.
She said, I do have a room to clean.
For real, what? Yeah. So yeah, it's been a boring day. It's been raining. Weather is not kicking it for anybody. Look at this. It's not working.
I'm going to.
What is you doing, bro? What the? You is weird, bro. Fucking weirdo. So yeah, this is what we do on rainy days. You know, we sit down, we break down what we want to do, and we brainstorm.
Jeez. Oh, Flash. Mm-hmm.
Little selfie. Selfie gang.
come on, cold.
Selfie gang.
What happened to your eyes? Man. Are you happy?
It was low. So yeah, we gonna.
Aww. We look cute in this one. Look. See, we fight, but we still, you know, come to.
Yeah, me and this dude always arguing, but we ended up we're brothers at the end of the day. Yeah, you see my curls, man. You see my curls, man. You see them, man. We see them, man. So yeah, it's a random video, but we're just letting you guys know what we got going on. I got like 3 phones. So yeah, we're gonna keep on brainstorming. We just wanted to, show love to you guys and good to be back. Good to be back. Takes it, because I've been posting in a few days.
Yeah, man. Stay on it.
We got
man.
more helping videos coming soon though. We got more. We're gonna be helping more people. We're gonna keep getting out there. We're gonna keep doing all that. We don't have a lot, but we still have, you know. We
I
still
know,
have
but it's
love to
been
give.
raining like 2 days. It's been raining. We did came out and
Yeah.
did a little clip.
Michigan's weather been crazy. Like
Yeah.
what in the
Bipolar
world?
weather.
The rain and snowing, rain and
It was
snowing.
supposed to snow today. I'm like, what?
I would have sued
Ain't
the
it,
government.
ain't it spring break?
Yeah, and it's spring break. Spring break at fucking negative 2 degrees outside. Alright, it's not.
It's not. It's not there.
It's not that cold.
Sign it
But
off.
it's cold and windy, so I don't know. It was just we just saying what's up to you guys. Like shoot it, watch out. Move, bro. They
Why you put
slid.
your eye like?
Alright, we out, you guys. It's your boy Oscar Meyer. 17 tattoo 17. Dang. Hey, we out, you guys.